Landscaping has the power to completely redefine how your home is perceived from the very first glance. Even the smallest front yard can be transformed into a welcoming retreat that radiates charm, personality, and timeless elegance. With thoughtful planning, smart material choices, and creative design elements, you don't need a huge budget to make a big impact. In this video, we'll explore how strategic landscaping ideas, ranging from elegant gates to lush planting beds, can turn a modest outdoor space into a beautiful entryway that leaves a lasting impression. Your front yard is the stage on which your home makes its very first statement. A well-designed entryway doesn't just elevate curb appeal. It reflects your lifestyle and personal taste. Whether it's the elegance of an arched gate or the charm of seasonal flowers, these details create an atmosphere that feels warm and inviting. With limited space, each design choice matters, and by focusing on balance and intentional details, you can achieve sophistication without overspending. Small yards often pose design challenges, but they also provide an opportunity to be more creative. Instead of filling every inch, embrace negative space and let a few key elements shine. Use vertical lines such as arches, trellises, or climbing plants to draw the eye upward, giving an illusion of more height. Choose compact shrubs and low-maintenance perennials to avoid overcrowding while still achieving a lush effect. With the right strategy, a small space can feel expansive, cozy, and effortlessly stylish. Redesigning a yard doesn't have to break the bank. Start by setting a clear budget and prioritizing high-impact changes. Simple updates like painting an old fence, adding gravel pathways, or repurposing wooden crates can instantly refresh the look. Consider secondhand decor finds that can be transformed with a coat of paint or some creativity. A little imagination goes a long way in landscaping, proving that elegance and affordability can go hand in hand when designing your dream entryway. A gate is more than a functional barrier. It's the handshake of your home. Choose wooden or metal gates that are durable yet affordable, and give them a fresh coat of paint for an updated appearance. Even simple designs can bring a sense of sophistication and create a grand arrival effect. Pairing your gate with matching side planters or lanterns will frame the space beautifully, making your small yard feel polished and well curated. Arches add both height and elegance, making them a perfect focal point in small front yards. Whether you build a DIY wooden arch or purchase an affordable metal frame, arches create a timeless structure for climbing plants. Roses, jasmine, or ivy can turn a plain frame into a lush, romantic feature that evolves beautifully over the seasons. Beyond aesthetics, arches also guide visitors visually, offering a sense of direction and balance to your outdoor design. Replacing large lawns with compact planting beds is both cost-effective and visually striking. Raised borders or stone-edged beds filled with hardy shrubs, ornamental grasses, and colorful perennials create texture and vibrancy. Focus on plants that bloom in rotation, ensuring color throughout the year. Compact beds not only maximize limited space, but also reduce water and maintenance costs, making them a practical solution for homeowners who want beauty without excess upkeep. One of the simplest ways to refresh your yard is with seasonal flowers. Hanging baskets, window boxes, or colorful planters add bursts of charm that can be easily swapped out as the seasons change. Marigolds, petunias, and pansies are budget-friendly yet vibrant choices that instantly brighten your entryway. The versatility of container planting also allows you to rearrange layouts whenever you desire a new look, giving your yard flexibility and freshness year-round. A well-lit yard creates warmth and safety, especially at night. Instead of investing in costly electrical setups, opt for solar-powered garden lights. These are affordable, eco-friendly, and easy to install. Line them along pathways, cluster them at the base of arches, or use them to highlight a gate for a magical evening effect. The right lighting not only enhances beauty, but also extends the functionality of your outdoor space, making it enjoyable day and night. Personal touches give your front yard soul. Simple DIY projects like painting terracotta pots, creating stepping stones, or using reclaimed wood for planters add unique character at little cost. Repurposed furniture or thrifted finds can be turned into charming outdoor accents with just a touch of creativity. DIY decor blends personality with sustainability, turning ordinary items into meaningful design statements that make your landscaping feel both curated and authentic. Layering is a technique that brings dimension to even the smallest gardens. Place taller plants at the back, medium-sized shrubs in the center, and ground covers or flowers in the front. This not only maximizes visual depth, but also makes your yard appear larger and more dynamic. Choosing plants with different colors, textures, and bloom times ensures variety and interest throughout the seasons. It's a simple yet powerful landscaping strategy to add richness and balance to your design. In the end, a small front yard proves that size is no limitation when creativity and thoughtful planning lead the way. By blending gates, arches, planting beds, and personalized decor, you can achieve a space that feels elegant, welcoming, and uniquely yours. From clever budget tips to layering plants with purpose, every detail contributes to a timeless entryway. Above all, remember that landscaping is not about the amount of space, but about how you shape it to reflect beauty, warmth, and personality.